even on some of the stocks that I'm looking to trade, for example. So things I was looking for, let me see what it did the last time this guy spoke. So green, green, green. But what happened the days after? Red, 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 red again. So probably red, red going into Thursday and Friday. Looking at Thursdays, not as decent as the Friday afterwards. E-minis. Let's take a look. Same situation. Same pattern. Boom. Green, massive green on this one. Again, went shot down, but ultimately finished green. Then the days that followed were red. And then today, so far, we're looking at a green. So we'll see what the day has in store for us. But again, the days that follow, red, red. I applied it to some of the stocks that we like to trade, for example, and the days of the announcements are not really that good. I even went down on the intraday basis and started looking at how did this stock behave every time this guy was talking, and it wasn't that impressive. So again, today, especially in the morning, just be a little careful. Make sure you're paying attention to volume. So I'm paying a lot of attention to volume today. So this column right here. And then once I jump over to the actual chart, so this column right away, because I want to see it over 15 to 20. And then this one, if you see 10,000, 15,000, 30,000, the highest I've seen this go on some of the stocks is like 110,000, you know what I mean, percent above average. So we'll definitely pay attention to the volume today because, again, with the speech, it may be a rocky morning. If they're taking the ad open in those no trade zones, then definitely consider waiting till later on in the day before you trade, okay? Hey guys, Ron here once again. That was a clip from yesterday's videos. Are you paying attention to the history? Do you know what to expect today, Thursday, October the 10th? And tomorrow, October the 11th. That's the day that I'm really excited about, is tomorrow. Are you paying attention to your history and paying attention to what is likely to happen today, what is likely to happen tomorrow? And are you properly planning for it? You know what I mean? Are you planning for what you are expecting? And are you planning for the opposite, just in case? Because you just never know, you know? Well, we're not magicians. We're not mind readers. We cannot tell the future. We don't know. But are you ready for what is to come? So that is my question to you guys. If you are not on these morning calls, then you need to definitely click the links below. Today we're about to get started on our call today so that we can cover what to do today and what to expect tomorrow, especially on the stocks that we are looking to cover and to trade. So as you can see here, this is the Dow. This is what it's looking like so far already today. So as you can see here, we're already starting to build a nice red candle. It's done it in the past. And now tomorrow, it's really the day that I'm really, really excited about. So today we're going to go ahead and cover our watch list for our members to see what we can expect today. And most of all, so that we can prepare for tomorrow. Because tomorrow's Friday. Things are going to be a little bit cheaper. Tomorrow's going to be another one of those days that you can turn pretty much small amount of money into a couple $1,000 because the volatility's here. The action is ready to go. So as you can see here, the markets pretty much shut down overnight, which was pretty interesting. And then look at what they're doing today. If you see, and you know, I'll cover a little bit here what we're looking to cover. So as you can see here, last time in August the 21st, again, I covered it on the pre-market video yesterday, markets ended green. On September 18th, the markets ended green. And yesterday, October the 9th, the markets ended green. As predicted, it's pretty much what the markets like to do every time Powell does his speech. Now, look at the day afterwards. What did it do? It actually gapped down right after on the post market, as you can see here. Pretty much did the same thing. Where did it open? Pretty flat. On October the 22nd, on September the 19th, what did it do? Same thing. It gapped down right after the post market, went really, really low, started to make those drops. And then what did it do? It actually gapped open. It opened higher and pushed higher in the morning. Same thing on October the 22nd. August the 22nd. So you can already see, and you can already see the markets doing that. Look at today. They're already at minus 58 from being down over 200 points. So what are the markets showing you here? Oh, okay, man. If you can learn anything from history, it's like, man, history is definitely repeating itself here today. So as you can see here, The markets are already recovering everything they lost over on the post market, trying to push higher. So there you go, guys. I mean, everything is repeating itself like it's like a mirror image of the last couple of times. So as you can see here, what can you expect today? It's probably gonna be not that big of a day, not that much action today. So you can probably take a day off. I would say, take the day off today and wait for tomorrow, because you're gonna get the more exaggerated moves tomorrow. As you can see here, those are the days that you actually get more action, bigger candles, smoother moves. So as you can see here, both days on Friday, September, what is that? August the 23rd. The markets again pushed higher, failed to actually break higher, and then boom, massive drop. Same thing. September the 20th, markets again opened pretty flat, pushed higher, and then boom, came down crashing. Again, guys, history. If you're a history buff, pay attention to your chart history. Pay attention to what is happening and why things happen the way they happen. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you are ready. Plan. We are planning, and we're preparing ourselves for the moves to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely review your charts for the stocks that you're trying to trade yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one.